How to trade ETFs on Moomoo. So first thing you want to do is tap on the markets and go to the US tab in the mobile app. Then the next thing you want to do is tap on the ETF section to check out the ETFs that are listed in the US markets. There are various types of ETFs available to you, and each of them is usually focused on a specific category such as regional, equity indices, commodity, and etc. So next thing you want to do again is select an ETF and tap on the trade button, which is what you can see here. Then, trading an ETF is like trading a stock. So select buy or sell and order type. Then, input the price and quantity, which is the limit order. So simply just type the price and quantity and then tap the buy button. So input your trading password and now you can enjoy wonderful ETFs world on Moomoo. And that is how you buy or trade ETFs on Moomoo. Very, very simple. And if you want to learn more, simply just search how to buy ETFs on Moomoo and you will get redirected into this website.